In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off animation in Canva. Maybe you've added some fun animations to your design, but now you want a clean, static look. Or you're preparing a file for printing or exporting as a PDF. Whatever the reason, turning animations off in Canva is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to remove animations from individual elements, and then how to turn off animations that are applied to an entire page. First, open your Canva design in the editor. You can do this from your recent designs or by navigating through your folders. Once the design is open, look at the canvas in the middle of the screen and find the specific element that has animation applied. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, or even a sticker. Click once on that element to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the editor. On this toolbar, look for the option labeled Animate. Go ahead and click Animate. When you do, an animations panel will open on the left side of your screen. This panel shows you which animation is currently applied to that element, along with a list of other animation styles you could use. To completely turn off the animation for that selected element, look toward the bottom of the panel for the option that says Remove Animation. Click that. The animation will be removed from that element, and it will now appear as a simple, non-animated object in your design. If you have multiple elements with animations, repeat the same process for each one. Now, sometimes the animation is not applied to individual elements, but to the entire page. This is called a page level animation. To remove this, click anywhere on the page background, but not on a specific element. You should see a page toolbar appear at the top of the editor. Again, click the Animate option on that toolbar. The Animations panel will open on the left, but this time it's showing the animation that's applied to the whole page. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see an option that says Remove All Animations. Click that to turn off the page level animation completely. And that's it. Your design should now be free of animations, whether they were applied to individual elements or to the entire page.